宋特區，睇下佢可唔可以打呢個衛冕戰啦。2025杜拜草地大賽，隨時預備起步，預備。一出閘嘅時候啊，跳出嚟平排，約出去浪漫勇士出嚟最快嘅。明合咧就守住個第2位啊，名將田園咧都係佢放噶啦，冇風啊！喺內欄方面咧，仲係就捉刀手嚟㗎。後一格啦，神子勇進啊，寬道路好威童子，暫時尾3位置威國之榮，暫時殿後呢一隊分別係黃衫黃帽就係美進，殿後嗰匹就係上屆嘅冠軍綠衫紅帽嘅宋達區啊！好啦，跑過接近300米嘅同程啦，前邊呢帶緊頭呢，分別見到就名將田園呢，暫時佔先1個馬位，收住個第2位呢，就係捉刀手嚟㗎，浪漫勇士守住個第3啊，拍住出邊呢，就係匹寬道路，再後一格啦就縮埋一堆嘅啫喎，見到神子勇進啦喺浪漫勇士嘅後側啦，再外邊啦咁啊帶住紅帽咧就自由島，唔係話好落後嘅啫喎，睇下係咪跟住浪漫勇士做呢個假想敵啦。喺晒後邊嘅馬分別見到咧就係威國之榮啦，暫時藍衫藍帽啦喺尾5島，明合咧就暫時喺個尾4島㗎，拍住好威童子，宋達區尾2，暫時殿後一隊咧就係黃色衫嗰匹就係美進嚟㗎。好啦，彎位都差唔多轉完咁一半嘅階段啦，咁啊前邊依然帶緊頭咧，名將田園呢都仲係佔先就半個身位，浪漫勇士呢就拍住上嚟嘅第2位㗎。出邊位置係寬道路啦，外邊係自由島啊。內欄方面仲有捉刀手啦，睇下陳志勇進嚟夠唔夠位㗎啦噃。好啦，彎位轉完入到嚟最後直路階段，前邊帶緊頭名將田園啦，出邊位置浪漫勇士大外檔就寬道路同埋自由島，中間就唔好夠位陳志勇進同埋捉刀手啊。最後200零米，暫時突圍而出呢，依然都仲係名將田園，但係浪漫勇士呢幾步3爬2步趕咗上嚟，外邊就神子勇進，最後100零米，浪漫勇士仲係佔先多啲，神子勇進拍佢上嚟，外邊美進，浪漫勇士神子勇進要影相啊！浪漫勇士神子勇進睇下邊隻贏，外邊美進第3、第4名呢都要影㗎。嗱，好近，神子勇進拍到上嚟，浪漫勇士要影相啊！真係好近好近，終點線嗰下壓上壓落嘅啫。但係浪漫勇士個爆炸能力就冇上一次咁好啊！外邊神子勇進，入邊浪漫勇士，好似神子勇進嘅機會大啲喎，要影相啊！
打側噶嘛，嗱，壓上壓落有得影嘅，睇個勢就好似爭啲噶啦。咁但係壓上壓落真係要睇最後嗰步啦。係啦，有得影嘅，
因為個鏡頭嗰度可能有少少
打側啊嘛，
打側嘅係啦。究竟係浪漫勇士定係神子勇進啦？
好近好近，但係有得影嘅。嗱，即係對口啦，就係嗱，會兩村啊嘛。其實就係先錄對翻呢場啦。好啦，嗱1、2名就好接近嘅，究竟浪漫勇士贏，因為神子勇進贏咧，睇過爭少少啊，結果啊，
神子勇進贏咗啊！
咁啊，始終啲日本兵團啊，真係馬多勢眾啦，開隻寬道路上嚟喺度搞震。仲影緊喎，仲影緊啊！咁啊，
應該都係，
因為現場嘅似乎睇係9號贏啊，因為都睇嗰啲勢就係啦。因為影完未咧？
應該都影咗㗎啦，係啦。
唔係喎，好似都仲大家一齊行嘅啫喎，都要等當地公佈啦，正式公佈為準啊！
winner 啦！
不過呢場浪漫勇士俾日本隊圍住嚟跑，多咗隻寬道路喺度搞震啊嘛！好明顯嘅寬道路可以搞震嘅，
同埋上一場可能耗力真係都幾多嚇。
因為即係如果大家都十足咧，我又唔係好信隻狗贏到隻8嘅。爭一步啦！不過你見麥道朗冇辦法，佢一定要俾住，唔可以俾佢壓住嚟跑。唔得㗎，唔得㗎，因為你俾佢封住就仲弊㗎。嗱，冇辦法啦，對方係馬多勢眾啊。哇！美進個第3都真係，
哇！佢個後勁
位攞出
勁啊，攞出嚟，佢支支助助追好多嘅喺馬群當中。
好啦，咁結果杜滿樂啊，神子勇進，咁日本隊又多一場頭馬啦。
過有啲可惜啊！我諗香港馬迷都覺得有啲可惜嘅。
嗯，
咁今晚個運勢唔係太順嘅，都係整體都係啊。
麥道朗係有少少唔係好順。
係啊，唔
冇辦法
係好順，即係亦都冇乜跑錯呢場馬，但係都係贏唔到。
真係少少。
不過咧就已經係個頭壓翻落去嗰步嚟啦嚇，即係其實都過㗎啦，將會係過嘅。
如果神智勇進係用日本騎師咧，就冇問題㗎啦。
咁但係如果唔係杜滿樂係莫雷拉嘅喎，
佢哋都不敢怠慢㗎啦，跑呢啲國外嘅一級賽啊。
但係因為寬道路喺出邊咧，就唔能夠讓嗰個位俾佢
係，
就變咗一路要俾少少、
啱啊
俾少少去塞、去填住個位。
然後就其實
放緊頭嗰只咧都係日本隊嘅。
係
阿杜滿樂就一路都係跟住浪漫勇士後邊嚟跑嘅。
佢就用1600嘅即係嗰個變速啦，去應付呢場賽事啦。
This year I win by nose, so the lucky was with me today.
The iron isn't lost, of course, from last year. The performance he put in this year, is that the best he's ever been?
I think so. He beat the best horse in the world.
Yeah.
It was a fantastic travel behind him, and nothing to say. He was hard until the end, so I'm so happy.
Describe the moment when the announcement came in and you knew it was your number.
Yeah, you know, last year I was thinking I won.
Yes.
And until the last second I was beaten by nose, so I just waiting. I was more sure this year on the win, but I was waiting the final announce, so I'm very happy.
And to lower the colours of Romantic Warrior, he is a global superstar. You will, of course, know and seen the backside of him. To do that, does that make it even more special?
Yeah, of course. Like I say, we beaten the best horse in the world, and we can enter in the story because he doesn't lose many races, Romantic Warrior, but today he find a good horse.
Last question, Christian. You've won the Shima Classic on Shariar a few years ago. You've now won the Turf, the two biggest turf races out here. How magical is Dubai World Cup night for you?
It's the most important meeting and beautiful. The organization is very good, and I'm very happy to come. More I come, more happy. Every year I get some Japanese horse, so I'm very happy to get invitation.
Christian, well done.
Thank you so much.
好啦，咁杜滿樂咧就即係問到啦嚇，咪擊敗浪漫勇士啊！即係當地其實都將浪漫勇士係譽為全球最好嘅草地嘅賽區，咁咪贏咗呢場賽事。咁啊，杜滿樂就話係啊，都輸過咁多次俾佢，咁啊今晚即係終於可以報翻一戰之仇啦，咁就係開心嘅。咁啊，杜滿樂咧就贏嗱，今晚就贏草地大賽啦，司馬經典賽佢都贏過㗎，兩項嘅即係喺杜拜最高榮譽嘅草地賽佢都贏過。咁第4名就2號嘅捉刀手，其實宋達區都追翻好多啊，原來都。
阿太美俊啦，都沿途揾位啊，黃衫黃帽嗰隻。
論盡啊，係啊！哇，佢追好多啊！
佢就係嗰啲咧，即係短程嗰啲變速好犀利嗰啲馬嚟，我仲要挨入去添。
係啊！一路都係跟住浪漫勇士嚟跑嘅呢神智勇進，跟住去到直路中段就望空。
不過就個勢咧係，即係我覺得最尾嗰兩步係冇咁好啦，即係都係俾人逼到上嚟㗎啦。
佢甚至乎係有啲靠鬥心頂埋佢，不過可惜爭少少啊！
你睇浪漫勇士都望住佢啊！
係啊！好啦 ，S 嘅第5場嘅暫定賽，嗰個第1名就係9號嘅神智勇進，第2名係8號嘅浪漫勇士，第3名係5號嘅美進，第4名就係2號嘅捉刀手。
雖敗猶榮啊！
嗯。